Okay, I was looking at the wrong spot of the camera, as usual. Happy Monday morning. This is a follow-up to my first live feed after 3 days trying to learn Streamlabs. And I'm using my selfie camera because I don't feel like dicking around with flipping it around and setting it and all that. I'm being lazy. I worked my butt off this weekend. So this is going to be a follow-up, but first things first, hope everyone had a good weekend. Clink, coffee clinks, and donuts. We'll see what kind I get. Forgot to mention, don't forget to see some nature today. Get out, take a walk. If it's raining, grab an umbrella. It's good for you. Okay, I'm here. Mask up time. These are the best donuts in the Grace Harbor area as far as I'm concerned. If you have another place you like to go, let me know. Okay, one task down. Now it's time, sorry about the sun, for some nature. I haven't done any naturing since Thursday. I've had really bad weather, so here we go. Nature, here we come. Watch for an upcoming segment called Free Sunshine, where I'm going to be giving away a ton of swag and probably making it into a monthly deal. Keep an eye out. And, oh, there's a giant bug coming into my car. Okay, it's gone. So one thing, I love nature, but boy, bugs. Anyway, as long as they don't touch me. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. And again, I'm always working on everything, on making it better and providing something that you might like to watch that's interesting, I hope, eventually. Happy Monday. I'll get this uploaded today. I haven't really done a check-in since last week. And thanks for watching Pacific Northwest. Peace out. See you on the flip side. And it is now, I switched the camera around again, 6 p.m. Actually, not sure the precise time. And gotta do the neighbor wave. I love my neighbors. Sunset is at 6:30, and I am going on a sunset chase. So, see how it goes. That amazing a sunset, but it's beautiful out here. And I just met this really cool guy who introduced me to something called a monopod. It's not a tripod, it's on one stick, so it's like a walking stick you stick your camera to. I want one really bad. Great. One more thing for my to-do, or not to-do, my want list, shopping list. Anyway, so have a great night. I was supposed to do this morning, but I'm not uploading it until tonight, obviously. Have a great week. Whoops,
I ain't the only one, and that's okay, cause I know that I'm the holy one. I'm in the Milky Way, holding guns with me, yay. Trap shot, cause we monsters on the interstate. Crazy with the Ableton, swerve around and finish straight. It's amazing way we living in the internet. Menace in the business. Thought that I should mention that attack tracks, magic acid in your water tap.